Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sin x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have cosx dx. This one we change by u, this one we change by du, and now we have the final answer. About u, that is about sin x. Now we can use similar for the next one. That is about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we got du equals to negative sin x dx. Because we don't have negative sign, so I will put the negative sign go to the left. This one we change by u. This one we change by negative du. The integration of this one, we have a to the power of u over ln and I will put about c. About u, that is about cosine x. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.